we'll in some time we'll be reaching Konta. Konta is a very interesting place. It is a quadra junction place. Okay, let me explain what it is. Konta is in Chhattisgarh. It will come on the left. Just half a kilometer later is the border. That is Chhattisgarh Telangana border. And left of Konta, beyond that is Telangana. Left of Konta is Odisha. That's where the two rivers meet. Which are the two rivers? Means Seeleru. You remember Seeleru, right? I have been to Seeleru, Upper Seeleru. Okay, Donkarai and all. So Seeleru river and Sabari river meet near Konta. That point of confluence of Sabari river and Seeleru river is called the tri-junction of three states. This is Sabari river. It will join Seeleru river near Konta. That point is the tri-junction of three states. You remember Seeleru river, right? I have been to Seeleru river, Donkarai, Upper Seeleru and all. Andhra Pradesh, from Andhra Pradesh it flows. So the point of confluence of this Sabari river with Seeleru river is the tri-junction of Odisha. Konta is in Chhattisgarh, so Chhattisgarh and Telangana, three states. That point of confluence is near Konta itself. Konta is a small place. That point of confluence is near Konta itself. The Sabari river. After confluence, Seeleru and Sabari becomes Sabari. And then Sabari will join Godavari later. This is Konta. That side is the confluence of Sabari river and Seeleru river. And that is a tri-junction of three states. I am in Chhattisgarh. That side border is Telangana, and that side is Odisha. So three tri-junction. This is the Konta bus stand. Konta is a significant place. It's a quadra junction also. Let me explain. So now I told you about the tri-junction, right? If you go like this, it will be Telangana. After a few kilometers, there is a left which will go to Chinturu. Chinturu is in Telangana. And further, it goes to Maridimilli. You remember Maridimilli and all? I once went in Gokavaram bus from Rajahmundry to Seeleru. So Andhra Pradesh comes after Chinturu. So again there will be tri-junction there. Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha tri-junction. So in this vicinity of some 10-20 kilometers, there are two tri-junctions. Okay, this is one tri-junction and another tri-junction. Basically 4 states meet in this vicinity. It's like a quadra junction. So Konta is like a junction. Everyone comes here to take buses to Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Even Rajahmundry you can take a left turn. If you go straight, take a left turn. You can go to Rajahmundry, Kakinada. Kakinada buses also go via that Maridimilli and Rampadavaram, that route only. Straight is to Odisha, right is to Andhra Telangana. Half a kilometer both sides border. the border, and left if you go, it will go to Andhra Pradesh. This is Telangana. ఏపీఎస్ఆర్టీసీ జగదాల్పూర్ విజయవాడ ఇస్తాము. విజయవాడ బస్ అక్కడ ఉంది, ఆ పక్కన ఉంది, ఆ పక్కన డిన్నర్ బ్రేక్. జస్ట్ టాకింగ్ టు మై కో ప్యాసింజర్. ఇప్పుడు కరెక్ట్. నౌ ద రోడ్ విల్ స్ప్లిట్ నౌ. లెఫ్ట్ విల్ గో టు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్, రైట్ విల్ గో టు తెలంగాణ. That is the Andhra Pradesh road. This is Bhadrachalam. I don't know whether there are other Kodra junctions in India. It's not exactly accurate Kodra junction, but this region is Kodra junction. I'm not sure if there are other places where 4 states meet. This is Chintur. Chintur, 12 kilometers. That side, Bhadrachalam and Chintur.